Hey guys, in today's video I have for you my September selfie box. If you want to see what kind of goodies they put in this month, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you my second selfie box. I gotta say, guys, I was super impressed with that first box. I was really excited about it, and I used literally all of the products in the box, and I continue to use them to this day. I absolutely love everything that I got in this box. So the selfie company actually saw my video, and they reached out to me, and they are going to offer you guys a code for $5 off your first box. Now, of course, this is for new subscriptions only. You'll get $5 off your first box if you want to give them a try. Just use code AMBER5, and that will get you that $5 off the first box. I love this box, guys. I highly suggest it. This is probably one of my favorite beauty boxes for sure, and one that I will definitely continue to do. So, without further ado, let's see what I got in my September selfie box. Okay, guys, so here's their box. Love their packaging. I love this print that they have on their boxes. It's definitely very clear what brand this box is from when you see it. Love how they package their stuff. And I gotta say, I have mentioned in several other videos that I do have DIYs coming up for these boxes and what you can do with them once you take all the products out of them. If you're recycling them, great. But if you're not and you want to keep one or two of the boxes to see what I have in store, I hope that you do that because I have some fun ideas for what you can do with these boxes if they're starting to pile up for you as they are for me. Okay, guys, let's pop this open and see what's in here. So this is what it looks like when you pop it open. Look, it looks like those black squigglies they used are like staining the box. That's interesting. So they have a little card in here, and what I love about this company is they put this card in here which explains a little bit about each product that's in your box as well as how much it cost. I love when companies do this, and a lot of them do, but not all of them do, and I really wish that they would because it's very helpful to us to understand how you're supposed to use the product as well as how much it would cost if we wanted to buy it again. So I do feel like this is a very important piece to put in these boxes, and I hope some of the companies that aren't doing it maybe think about doing that in the future. Okay, so let's just dive right in here. Move the, ooh, these black squigglies stained some of these boxes in here. Interesting. All right, so I grabbed this first. Let's just go for it here. We're going to pop this little bad boy opened. It is Cab Cosmetics. I don't know what it is yet. Oh, Blush Me Up. It's a blush palette. Awesome! I love getting blush palettes. I gotta say the lip gloss that I have on right now is from this company, and I actually quite like it. So let's see what their little blush palette looks like. Ooh, maybe not. Okay, ooh, pretty. Oh yeah, these are definitely like fall-like colors. Awesome. I love all these colors, and I would definitely get some use out of this palette. Super stoked about it. I never get blush palettes in any of my boxes. I see all these people getting these blush palettes, and I get super pumped, and then I get my box, and it has a contour palette in it. And if you guys have watched any of my videos, you know that I just don't know how to contour. Very clearly not my thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and read about this little guy here. So this is a Cab Cosmetics Strawberry Shortcake Blush Me Up. The value of this guy is $30. Now, I did expect this to be kind of pricey because I knew that the lip gloss I got was, so that price doesn't surprise me at all. But I do gotta say, I do like the lip gloss. I feel like this part of their product line is good, so hopefully their blush is too. So it has 3 yummy shades. Can we eat them? Just saying. Of creamy blush. This texture is a lightweight, bouncy gel that glides easily onto the skin. It applies wet and creamy, but dries down to a powder-like finish. Well, that's interesting. So you put it on, it's wet and creamy, and then it just dries up. So excited to give this a try. We'll see how that goes. It blends with these, so a little goes a long way. That's great. So you don't need a lot of this. So the $30 price ticket isn't that bad if you're not using very much of the product. Awesome. Okay, and can be built up from light to full coverage. It's cruelty-free, hand-formulated, suitable for all skin types, super long wearing. Sounds good to me, guys. All right, so I gotta say the first product for me is a win-win because I've been dying to get a blush palette in one of these boxes, and Selfie Box delivered. Thank you very much. Okay, let's grab this next thing in here. It's a big thing, so grabbing all the big stuff first. I don't know, guys. Sometimes big things come in small packages. Isn't that what they say? So we'll do the smaller stuff last. Okay, so it says, Dear Self Skincare. I am gleaming face moisturizer with rosehip and sea kelp. So there's their little box, guys. I'm hoping that you're getting it and there's not too much glare happening. So let's pop this bad boy open. I mean, like I always say, I get this stuff to use it, and that I do. Oh, this is definitely a full-size product. Oh, this is like a really pretty, are you guys getting this? It's black and gold. Kind of pretty. Steeler colors. Yes, guys, I am a Steeler fan. And I gotta say, this bottle will look great with my Steeler outfit. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and pop this open. Of course, it is sealed, which is always a good thing. But, ooh, that's a weird smell. That is not what I expected. Here's what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little of this on my skin and see how it smells on my skin. The smell's still kind of strange. That's a strange smell. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the benefits of this guy. Definitely smells a little weird for me. So what did I say this was? Okay, here we go. Dear Self, I am Gleaming Rosehip Sea Kelp Moisturizer. The value of this moisturizer is $35, and this is a 1.7 ounce little jar here. Alrighty. So it's soothe firm and it will soothe firm and heal the skin with this vitamin C, E, and A enriched moisturizer. It'll provide a healthy glow, all while layering on a host of powerful anti-aging and anti-sun damage superstars. You guys know how I feel about the anti-aging. I will do everything I can to make these wrinkles go away. Okay, so use moisturizer as an expression of self-love by embodying the affirmation, I am gleaming. Yay! So it is vegan, paraben-free, cruelty-free, free of synthetic fragrances. All right, guys, so there's that one. Let's see what else is in here. Alrighty. So you see what I mean? How that little black squigglies got all, can you guys see that? Okay, so let's introduce the product since I kind of already did. This is a Grace and Stella. The only drama I enjoy is my lashes. Yes. So this is a lash serum. Natural eyelash growth serum. So funny, guys. I've been very curious about these. I'm just curious how they work, if they work, all that fun stuff. Okay, so let's do what I normally do, which is pop it open first. Oh, it's like way sealed, guys. Wow. Like, I mean, there's a clear plastic thing over top of this. Wow, it is really sealed in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what it's all about. Okay, ooh, look at that packaging. That's interesting. Look at how long this thing is. All right, let's open it up. So funny. I've never seen anything like this before. So what's going to happen when you get this little guy right here. What the heck? All right, so I'm sure I apply this to my lashes in some way, shape, or form. We are going to read up on this. However, my son is trying to open my door right now, so we're going to have to take a commercial break and see what he needs. I'll be back. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but as I always say, it's just me and my son most of the time, all day long, so I have to, make do with what I have going on here. Nonetheless, we're going to move on, and we're going to take a look at the eyelash serum benefits. Okay, so this is a Grace and Stella eyelash serum. It is valued at $19. Gotta say, guys, for $19, if this works, I probably would buy it again. This is 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces. Okay, so it says we aren't the only ones who want some killer lashes, right? I'm saying, my son has gorgeous lashes. I so wish that I could take his off and put them on me. Unfortunately, it does not work that way. So they are made with all natural vegan ingredients to nourish your eyelashes with the needed nutrients and botanicals to lengthen and thicken your lashes. Easy to use, just apply once per night onto clean lash line before bed. Okay, see results in as little as 30 days. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, and all natural. All right, guys, I gotta say this packaging is great. Like, I love this long, ridiculous little handle here. It's pretty awesome. Maybe that helps you when you're trying to put it on. I'm assuming there is a justified reason for it, but pretty cool. Definitely going to give this a go and see how it works, and I would definitely let you guys know in a future video. But like it said, it could take up to 30 days, so, who knows. All right, loving that, loving that. And let's see what else we have in here. Let me grab the next little item here. I'm probably going to butcher the name, but I think it's Hannah Lee. It's a lip treatment in peach pink. So here you go. I'm going to wipe off that black stuff. But here you go. That's what it is. There's the brand name right there. So they have their little safety seal on here, which I definitely appreciate. But it's just a pain in the butt when I'm trying to open stuff. Oh, ow, on camera. Clearly. All right. Ow, that hurt. Alrighty. Let's see what we have. Ooh. It's coming off. You see that, guys? Look. Their little labels coming off. Something must have malfunctioned with the label machine. Nonetheless, here we go. Here's what it looks like. Very nice. Let's go ahead and pop it open in peach. It says peach pink. All right, let's check out a peach pink color. Not have. Wow, that's kind of bold. I don't know. Oh, that's just the color, but it's just, it doesn't, see, it's just glossy, so it doesn't do anything. Wow, this is another one that tastes really good. I know you're not supposed to eat this stuff, but that's the first thing. Like when you put some in your lips, if I lick my lips, which I do quite often, I want it to taste good. Guys, they just taste pretty good. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the benefits of this guy. Where are you at? Hannah Lee Peach Pink Lip Treatment. This guy is $20. All right, let's see if we can get you some ounces here. It's 50 grams or 0.53 ounces for this size here. It says aloha. Alrighty, we're in Hawaii. Awesome. So give your lips some love. Natural Hawaiian, I don't know, kukuki, I don't know. We'll put it here. It's some type of nut oil that you'll find in Hawaii. Okay? So, and shea butter moisturizes and rejuvenates dry lips, while agave and grapeseed oil provides high levels of antioxidants to help soothe and protect lips from harmful radicals. It is cruelty-free and paraben-free. Ba-boom! There you go, guys. So, as I said in a previous video, I'm really excited about getting all these lip balms and things like that as we go into winter because my lips dry out very much. And if I keep getting things like this in my boxes, I'm not going to need to buy anything at all this winter. I'll be able to use all this stuff and be good to go. So, hopefully it works well for me. All right, I think there is one more product that I have left unturned, and it is the smallest one. So, this is a Peony Botanical Nutritious Color. It's called Matcha BB Powder, SPF 15. Here you go, guys. There's the little box that this thing came in. Let's go ahead and open it up here and see what it's all about. All right, here we go. Here's what it looks like. And let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so we have a nice little powder happening here. Can you guys see that? I'm going to go ahead and... Okay. Oops, I'll put this back on. Sorry. Because when you use it, you don't want to, dip your brush and all of that. Okay, so let me read about this little guy here. This is 5 grams or 0.18 ounces. And here's what it says. Peony Matcha BB Powder. The value of this little guy, which I just said was 5 grams or 0.18 ounces, is $22. It's awful small. Okay, an all-in-one moisturizer, sunscreen, and foundation. What? And it has a question mark on here. That's how I feel about that statement. That sounds pretty friggin' awesome. All right, so yes, please. Yes. All right, so it's a Matcha BB Powder SPF 15 is infused with green tea extract to hydrate, correct, and protect skin. Sounds like a rap. Yeah. Tea extract to hydrate, correct, and protect your skin. Woo! All right, guys, that was so stupid. All right, so control oil and tone while providing sheer coverage for a natural finish. All right, guys, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. This little guy packs a pretty big punch, so we'll see if this works. I'm actually excited to give it a go. I just put it on my skin and it completely disappeared, so it would probably be something that would work on my skin tone. So, guys, I think that covers everything. Yes. that covers all of the products that I got in my selfie box for September. Gotta say, I'm really excited about all of the products that I got in this one too. I mean, they are really killing it. I love this company. I am loving the fact that everything is cruelty-free. That is pretty awesome. And if you guys want to give them a try, again, get $5 off your first box if you use my code. I don't get anything special, just so you guys know. If you do that, it's just giving you guys a discount if you want to give them a try, and I hope that you do, because I absolutely love this box. This is hands down one of my favorites so far. So hopefully you guys do go ahead and give them a try, and if you do, use my code. Save yourself $5. Who doesn't want to save money? I know I do. But there you go, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, I do hope that you will hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any super fun stuff I have coming up here. I have lots of fun DIYs on the way. I promise. I really do. I've been working really hard trying to get some things done, but when I do the DIYs, they do take me some time. So I hope that you guys are keeping that in mind. But in the meantime, I have lots of fun unboxings happening as well with all these various subscription services. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? I'm not sure what happened. Let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome to... Where are we at? Welcome. Hi. Okay, guys. So, did that work? Probably not. That's kind of weird. Try it again. And as I said in several videos, I will be having DIYs for these boxes in the very future. In the very future? The very near future? Some type of future. I don't know. Let's try it again. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop this guy open. And this is what it looks like on the... Really? Okay, try it again.